Everyone, welcome back to the Refrigerator. Today's special guest is Miss Peach from the Community Chest here in Reno, Nevada.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Peach and I am the next guest on the Refrigerator. Today we are going to read I Like Myself by Karen Beaumont, illustrated by David Cotreau. I like myself. I'm glad I'm me. There's no one else I'd rather be. I like my eyes, my ears, my nose. I like my fingers and my toes. I like me wild, I like me tame. I like me different and the same. I like me fast, I like me slow. I like me everywhere I go. I like me on the inside too, for all I think and say and do. Inside, outside, upside down, from head to toe and all around. I like it all is me, and me is all I want to be. And I don't care in any way what someone else may think or say. I may be called a silly nut or a crazy cuckoo bird, so what? I'm having too much fun, you see, for anything to bother me. Even when I look a mess, I still don't like me any less, 'cause nothing in this world, you know, can change what's deep inside, and so. No matter if they stop and stare, no person ever, anywhere, can make me feel what they see is all there really is to me. I'd still like me with fleas or warts, or with a silly snout that snorts. Or knobby knees, or hippo lips, or purple polka-dotted lips. Or beaver breath, or stinky toes, or horns protruding from my nose. Or yikes with spikes all down my spine, or hair that's like a porcupine. I still would be the same, you see. I like myself because I'm me. So I think the perfect drawing for this book would be to draw a portrait of yourself. So I'm going to start by drawing a circle, leaving the top open so that I can leave some room for some hair. So here's my circle for my head. I'm going to draw a little piece for my hair, and then I'm going to finish the hair by going up and around, and if you are a boy, you can simply just do some spikes on top of your head. You can do curly hair. You can do whatever you think that you look like or that you want to be for that day. So I'm going to draw some circles next for my eyes, and I'm going to leave some lines in it so I can color my eyes green, because my eyes are green. If your eyes are blue, color them blue. If your eyes are brown, color them brown. So first I'm going to draw a circle and another circle, and then I'm going to leave some room in there so I can color in my eyes. For my nose, I am going to draw an L shape For my lips, I'm going to start with a little smile, and then I'm going to draw kind of like a stretched out M to make the top of my lips. And then I put a line through it so that I can have two lips on my portrait. Next, I'm going to draw a neck. So I'm just going to start from the head and go down to the bottom of the page. I'm also going to add some eyelashes and some eyebrows for my portrait. My eyebrow kind of gets cut off, so I'm just going to do half on one side and half on the other. So while I have my black out, I am going to color in the inside circle. Black. My eyes green. Next, I am going to do my lips. And since the book talked about purple polka dotted lips, I think it would be perfect for my portrait to have some purple polka dotted lips. I think it'll be fun and a little creative. I'm going to add some colorful polka dots in there. I'm also going to give myself some freckles because I have some freckles, so I'm going to take my brown and I'm just going to make just a couple dots. I have red hair, so I'm going to color my picture or my hair red for my portrait. So here I have my red hair, my green eyes, my purple polka dotted lips. Now I'm going to do some background. I love to be outside, so I'm going to draw some blue in the backgrounds for some blue skies. Don't forget to write your name and the date on the bottom of your artwork. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my book and drawing a portrait of yourself. I will see you next time on the refrigerator. Bye!
Tell me you were born this way. Like no one taught you how to change your